𝗏𝗏𝗏 is a data platform from 𝗏𝗏𝗧, built at the intersection of biology, data science, and software engineering. It brings your omics datasets, analyses, and results into one place, so your scientists can find and explore them without leaving the browser. 3 design choices shape the platform. It is configurable to your data model and your workflows. Bioinformatics pipelines and interactive visualization live in the same interface, and domain experts can drive their own analyses without an engineer in the middle. 𝗏𝗏𝗏 includes several domain dashboards: Navigator for general datasets and analyses, BioMix for multi-omics target and biomarker discovery, ProBiome for microbiome analyses, BioReflect for LLM-driven literature mining, and translational omics modules for clinical trial data. This is the 𝗏𝗏𝗏 start page. Datasets, analyses, and derived results are indexed and searchable from here. It is the F in FAIR, findability for your internal research. Filter to a disease. Here, 𝗙𝗵𝗏𝗧 𝗕𝗓𝗏. Opening the asset shows a knowledge graph of every other asset linked to this disease, single-cell studies, 𝗏𝗏𝗏 analyses, and related projects. The data and its connections side by side. Open the linked single-cell RNA-seq analysis. The UMAP is wired to every other panel on the page. Lasso a cluster and the marker gene table, the cell type annotations, and the per donor distributions filter to those cells. The selection drives the dashboard, not a notebook. 𝗏𝗏𝗏 handles spatial transcriptomics the same way. Pulmonary fibrosis, xenium data, 200,000 cells at their tissue coordinates. Healthy lung on the left, fibrotic on the right. Each dot is a cell you can inspect. Switch from niches to cell types, and every dot recolors. Scroll down to gene expression, and SCGB3A2 intensity is mapped across the tissue, purple to orange. BioMix is 𝗏𝗏𝗏's multi-omics dashboard for target discovery. Customer omics datasets are integrated with a reference truth set of disease-relevant genes, and a gene-level ML ensemble scores each candidate. The histograms show each model's score distribution. The upset plot shows which models agree on which genes, and the protein-protein interaction network places top candidates in their pathway context. That pattern recurs across 𝗏𝗏𝗏, a knowledge graph of your data and analyses, with dashboards that let domain experts navigate from result to result, configured for the science your team does. 𝗏𝗏𝗏 from 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗧, transforming your data into biomedical insights. Find us at 𝗙𝗏𝗏𝗁𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏